What up, guys? Today we're going to be cracking a domain user account on an Active Directory Windows domain that I created. If we look over here, I have the domain controller up on remote desktop. I created a user account. It's a managed service account, so it creates Kerberos tickets when it logs in, has an SPN. It's SVC IIS. It's supposed to manage the IIS server on this box. And today we're going to get a reverse shell in the box. We're going to use Rubeus to get the hash for the Kerberos ticket, and then we're going to use Hashcat to crack it. So I'm going to run my reverse shell, jump on over to my Kali box, and then we're going to go into a downloads folder. We're going to run a simple Python HTTP server, download Rubeus to the box, and then run it to get the Kerberos ticket. So go to users, go into one of the admin accounts, go to their documents folder, and then I'm going to open up a new terminal. And then we're going to go to the Windows binaries that are on Kali. So we're going to user share Windows binaries. Now we're going to Windows resources and then binaries. Just going to make sure that I have Rubeus in here. Kali does not come with Rubeus by default. It comes with the rest of these. So just make sure that you download Rubeus if you want to replicate this. And then I'm going to Python 3-m http.server. This just creates a simple HTTP server in this directory that we can grab files from on the domain controller. So we're going to invoke web request, and then URI is http 192.168.4.160. The default port is 8000, and then the file we want is rubeus.exe, and then we want to output it to rubeus.exe. And then if we dir, we can see we downloaded Rubeus, and then also it says we made a GET request for Rubeus. So now we have it on the box. We can run Rubeus, and then we can do klist to list all of the tickets that are on the box. Looks like we do have a couple. Not all of these are going to be Kerberoastable. Looks like this one is a service ticket, so it's probably going to be our service IS user. I'm not seeing usernames on these tickets, but Rubeus doesn't need us to explicitly... Okay, I worked my terminal. I guess we're up here now. Rubeus doesn't need us to explicitly set the SPN or the user. We can just type out Rubeus, and then we can type out Kerberoast. And what Kerberos does is just grabs the Kerberos ticket, which Kerberos is the authentication platform that Windows uses for service accounts and a bunch of other stuff. We're just grabbing the ticket, and it comes in the form of a hash, and then Hashcat can crack that for us. So when we type out Kerberoast, we get this big long string. And that is our hash. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to throw that into CyberChef just to grab the white space. I'm going to copy that output, throw it into Hashcat. So Hashcat is running in auto detect mode. It auto detects the type of the hash, loads all the drivers, and Rocky is very small, so it got it very quickly. It gives us our output hash and then colon our password. So our password is Windows, and we can verify this by RDPing into the domain controller. Just change our username to SVC-IIS. put in our password of Windows, and then it's going to let us log in. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like it, get subscribed, hit that like button, and then I'll see you guys later.